Get fit fast at home with no gym required. Join me as I take on the challenge of getting fit fast at home with absolutely no gym equipment. Getting fit at home without a gym is not only accessible, but also incredibly effective. You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to see real results. With a little dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. When it comes to getting fit, many people face a range of barriers that hold them back. One of the main excuses I hear is, "I don't have time to go to the gym." But the truth is, you don't need to spend hours at the gym to get a good workout. Even 20 minutes a day can be enough to make a significant difference. Another common obstacle people face is the lack of equipment. Many people think that without a gym, they don't have access to the necessary equipment to get a good workout. But the truth is, your own body is the best equipment you'll ever need. Gym memberships can also be a major turnoff for people. Not only can they be expensive, but they can also be intimidating, especially for those who are new to the fitness world. But the good news is that you don't need a gym membership to get fit. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Many people also think that they need to be fit to start working out, which simply isn't true. You don't need to be a fitness expert to start making progress. With a little patience and persistence, anyone can get fit, regardless of their current fitness level. Bodyweight exercises are an excellent way to get fit at home. Not only are they free, but they're also incredibly effective. You can do push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and more, all from the comfort of your own home. These exercises can be tailored to different fitness levels, from beginner to advanced, making them accessible to everyone. One of the best things about bodyweight exercises is that they can be done anywhere, anytime. You can do a quick workout in your living room, or even in your hotel room when you're traveling. The possibilities are endless, and the results are real. Another benefit of bodyweight exercises is that they're low impact, making them perfect for those who are new to exercise or have injuries. You can start slowly and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Let's get moving. Here's a quick and engaging workout routine that you can follow along with. We'll start with a 5-minute warm-up, followed by 10 reps of push-ups, squats, and lunges. Then we'll move on to some core exercises, including planks and bicycle crunches. Finally, we'll finish with a 5-minute cool-down. This workout routine is designed to be quick and easy to follow, but still challenging enough to get your heart rate up and burn some calories. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, without any equipment or gym membership. Getting fit at home without a gym is not only possible, but it's also incredibly liberating. You don't need to rely on anyone or anything else to achieve your fitness goals. You have the power to do it all on your own, from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any favorite home workout tips, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video inspiring, join us for more fitness adventures. From quick and effective busy day workouts to getting fit fast and mastering standing abs exercises, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our upcoming workouts. Let's crush those fitness goals together. Until next time, keep pushing forward and let your exercise spirit shine. See you in the next video.